Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to solve some important problems on inverse trigonometric functions using suitable transformation. So let us start the topic. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Now solution. Given y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So we have to find this derivative dy by dx using suitable substitution. So put x is equal to tan theta. So then this expression is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equals to sin inverse of sin 2 theta, because sin 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to 2 theta. We can write this is equal to 2. In place of theta, we can write tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse x. So now 2 theta is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 tan inverse x. So this is 2 derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x. So this is equal to 2. As you know, tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. Hence, derivative of y is equal to derivative of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Answer. So with this, our first problem is now solved. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Our next question is find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So here we have to find dy by dx using a suitable substitution. Now solution. Given y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So here put x is equal to sin theta. Then theta is equal to sin inverse x. Then y is equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So this is equal to sin inverse. This is sin 3 theta, because we know sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is equals to 3 theta. We can write this is 3. Theta can be replaced by its value sin inverse x. Then we will get dy by dx So d by dx of 3 sine inverse x. So this is equal to 3. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So which is equals to 3 by 1 minus x square root over. So we get dy by dx is equal to, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 by 1 minus x square root over answer. So our second problem is now solved. Now let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next question is find dy by dx if y is equal to sine inverse 2x 1 minus x square root over. Here given y is equal to sine inverse 2x 1 minus x square. So put x is equal to sine theta. So here theta is equal to sine inverse x. Then y is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta 1 minus sine square theta root over. So this is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta. This is cos square theta root over. So which is equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta. So y is equal to sine inverse. So this is 2 sine theta cos theta, which is sine 2 theta. So this is equal to 2 theta. And the value of theta is now sine inverse x. Now y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 sine inverse x, which is equal to 2 derivative of sine inverse x. This is equal to 2 1 by 1 minus x square root over. This is equal to 2 by 1 minus x square. Answer. So our third problem is solved. Now let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next question is find dy by dx if y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. So here given y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Put x is equal to cos theta. This implies theta is equal to cos inverse x. Then y becomes cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this is equal to cos inverse cos 3 theta. So which is equals to 3 theta. Now y is equal to 3 theta. This is equal to 3. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Then dy by dx 3 derivative of cos inverse x. And you know derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So this is minus 3 by 1 minus x square root over answer. So our fourth question is now solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next question is find dy by dx if y is equal to cos inverse 2t square minus 1. Here y is equal to cos inverse 2t square minus 1. Put t is equal to cos theta. So this implies theta is equal to cos inverse t. Then y is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is cos inverse cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta is equal to theta is equal to tan cot inverse t. So 2 cos inverse t. Here theta is equal to cos inverse t. So here 2 cos inverse t. Then dy by dt is equal to 2 d by dt of cos inverse t. This is 2, and you know derivative of cos inverse t is minus 1 by 1 minus t square root over. So this is minus 2 by 1 minus t square root over answer. So our fifth problem is now solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next question is find dy by dx where y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus t by 1 plus t. Given y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus t by 1 plus t, so put t is equal to cos theta. So this implies theta is equal to cos inverse t. Then y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta root over. This is tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2 whole root over. So then y is equal to tan inverse tan theta. This is sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. So tan square theta by 2 root over, which is equal to tan inverse tan of theta by 2, which is equals to theta by 2. This can be written as a cos inverse t by 2. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 derivative of cos inverse t minus 1 by 1 minus t square root over. So this is equals to minus 1 by 2 1 minus t square root over answer. So our sixth problem is now solved. The topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.